All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, and today is Monday, November 17th, and this is the morning ES call. All right, as we speak this morning, we have a high. Let's go up here. We'll start up here of 2039 half, I believe, 2039 half, and we have a low of 2025 and a quarter. Um, so let's start right here with currently we're trading at 2023 half. We have a bullish pivot which just got taken out here at 7:45 in the morning. So it's turned into a buy. Um, you got the top of value at 2033 and a quarter. We've got the mode from Friday at 2030 half. We have the bottom of the mode at 2027 half. So kind of change, trading like right in the middle of the overnight range. Um, and I got our bull bear zone here. This orange line at 2035 half, 2035 half. Last week was basically a consolidation week, and I'm going to bring back this pivot. I'm going to bring back this chart. Take a look at it. So this is the profile from last week all the way back to the 9th. And if you see, we got volume up here. Most trades occurred at 2036, and then below it we have all this time. And we talked about last week how this area had to get filled in. Now this is the overnight action. So if I click on this, it starts to fill in this area more, right? So you know, this is definitely starting to look like a P to me. I know it's a pretty odd shaped P, but if we click here as the longest line, I click on that. Looks like a P and turning to be bullish, right? Buying tail and going up. If I reset the splits, and this is the beauty of software, you can look at different things. Um, Reset the daily splits. We're there, and then I like to go here, the longest line of letters. So there's a possible retest today of 27 half down here. 28. Was that 29 to 27 half? Um, and then up here, the highs are at 2038 half. So, like I said, I thought last week was a consolidation week, given that we're, a month and a half away from Christmas, basically a month and a week away. You always get those rallies, the Christmas rally. Um, so right now, with the pivot being a buy, like I said, I'd be looking for a test of possibly the low of value. Um, we got the pivot down here at 28, basically 2029. So if that came out, that would change the scenario. Um, Interesting to note, our 5 minute rotation now is 3.75 points. So that means on the average rotation on a 5 minute chart from high to low would be from a high to close. The average rotation is 3.75, 3.75, and it was at 5 1/4. So that showed you that last week we had a consolidation and that the ranges got contracted. So that's another thing to take a look at. Um, when I go to this chart, it's our other profile chart. So this day only profile, um, as we can see on the day only, um, we're testing value high, but we had a lower high, a higher mode, and then a higher low. So given this action here, the consolidation in here, this looks like there's building enough volume as a base here and looking to go take these out. So just to take a look at that. All right. Um, Not much more to say. I mean, like I said, it's the end of the year. I don't think you're going to see any drastic pullbacks, but range may get may expand going into these last 40, 35 or 45 days or whatever it is. All right, that's all I got to say. And everybody have a good day trading, and I'll see you at the midday update if there's something to talk about. All right, bye.